Hi, thank you so much for coming back for another update on my cash stuffing. As I mentioned in the last video, created a 26-week, meaning bi-weekly savings challenge. And basically, I made this binder with these fun inserts. All is now listed on my Etsy. So it comes with the insert that I created for the savings challenge, as well as an envelope to put your cash in, and the explanation of how you're supposed to put your cash in. So it goes up in intervals of $15. Week 1, I put in $15. Week 2, I put in $30. And it comes with 2 bifold envelopes per week that you can put your money in. So that's my first and second week. And then my third and fourth week, I had to put in $45 and then $60. And that's this here, which we did in the last video. So now we are up to week 5. I just got paid and we will be putting in $75. The other thing that the savings challenge binder that I made comes with is a bill breakdown. This is to help you figure out how much you need to ask for at the bank when you're going to take out your withdrawal for your cash stuffing. So I made it dry erase. It also comes with this dry erase marker. I made it dry erase, so you do a breakdown of your bills or the bill denomination. So $1 bill, $5 bill, $10 bill, 20, 50, and then 100, and how many of each you need in order to get your total for how much you're depositing that week. And I made this erasable. So this is what I took to the bank. I needed one $5 bill, one $20 bill, and one $50 bill for a total of $75. I also did a coin breakdown. If you're doing coins in your savings challenge, you could use this for this as well, and it comes with the binder when you order one. I made it dry erase, so every week you just erase it. Obviously, I would use a paper towel, but you just erase it and then use it again next time. So like I said, this week we are putting in $75. So we'll circle that off. And so I'll need a 50, a 20, and a 5. And you might notice that I actually have extra 5s, and I'll explain why in a minute. So I like to fold my big bill on the outside, but it really doesn't matter. So we have week 5 here. There we go. And the other 2 5s I have because I had some money in my pocket that I had extra change for. So what I'm going to do is, obviously this is $10. I'm going to make a little note for myself, so the next time I have to deposit this, or I should say withdrawal and deposit into my savings binder, I need $10 less. So I need to get $80 since I already have 10, and I'm going to put this in to get ahead for next time. If you have extra cash in your wallet and you don't want to spend it on anything, put it in your savings binder. So now we have completed week 5. I'm going to go back and show you what your totals should be. Now let's do our totals and show you how much we ended up with so far. So for week 1 and week 2, we have week 1, 15, plus week 2 is 30. That's 45. Week 3, we had to put in 45. And that gives us 90. Plus week 4, we had to put in 60. So that's 150. And now after week 5, where we put in 75, we currently have $225 in our savings binder. I won't count the 10 because we're saving that for next week. But now we have $225 after 5 weeks of putting in our 26-week challenge binder. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you want the savings binder, like I said, link in the description. They're made to order. So if you tell me what color you want out of the color options currently on the website, I will make them and send them to you within a week. Thank you so much for watching. Happy stuffing. Bye, guys.